Hello viewers, today we are going to prepare okra and Indian spices. Please subscribe my channel. And so let's move quickly. We need 1 kg okra and we need 1/4 kg cooking oil. We need 2 medium-sized onion and tomato 6 medium-sized, ginger 3 to 4 small pieces, 1 lemon, fresh coriander 1 bunch, cumin seeds 1 spoon, black salt to taste, and Indian spices 1.5 spoon. Let's move towards the preparation of okra. We have to cut the okra into small round pieces. Before that, I would request that please wash okra properly. It is really essential for hygienic food. And then we are cutting chilies. Here we go, the last one. Now you can see the tomatoes. I have 8 tomatoes in my basket, but I will choose 6 tomatoes. You can use more as well, it's up to you. Please try to cut them in small pieces so that it will be easy for you to cook them properly. Here we go. One more. After that, you can see that we are cutting ginger as well, and then onion. After washing the onion, and we have small pieces of onion. Now we are putting oil and okra. We are frying it for 1 to 2 minutes, and putting onion into the okra, and again frying it 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we are putting black salt and tomatoes and coriander. And you need to cut coriander into small pieces, chop it, and cumin seeds. Mix it well, stir it and fry it, and then finally put lemon juice and Indian spices. Now it's time to mix it well and fry it. And instantly you can get your okra, and now it's ready. Put it into the plate and serve it with garam chapati. Here it is. Thank you. Bye.